Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Wahyu Mardhatillah, and in this video I would like to present about supporting details and transitions. In this video we will discuss about what is the definition of supporting details and transitions, what is the function, what is the type, and what is the example of supporting details and transition. Okay, for the first one, we will discuss about supporting details. Supporting details are those facts and ideas that prove or explain the main idea of a paragraph. While all the detail in a paragraph do support the main idea, not all details are equally important. As you read, try to identify and pay attention to the most important details. Pay less attention to details of lesser importance. The key details directly explain the main idea. Other details may provide additional information, offer an example, or further explain one of the key details. Jadi, supporting detail itu adalah sebuah fakta dan ide yang membuktikan atau menjelaskan ide utama sebuah paragraf. Meskipun semua detail dalam paragraf mendukung gagasan utama, tetapi tidak semua detail sama pentingnya. Saat membaca, coba untuk identifikasi dan perhatikan detail yang paling penting. Kurangi perhatian pada detail yang kurang penting. Detail utama menjelaskan secara langsung, menjelaskan ide utama. Detail lainnya dapat memberikan informasi tambahan, memberikan contoh, atau menjelaskan lebih lanjut salah satu detail utama. The following diagram shows how details relate to the main idea and how details range in degree of importance. In the diagram, more important details are placed toward the left, less important details are closer to the right. Berikut disajikan sebuah diagram yang menunjukkan bagaimana detail berhubungan dengan ide utama dan bagaimana detail memiliki tingkat kepentingan. Dalam diagram tersebut, detail yang lebih penting ditempatkan di sebelah kiri dan detail yang kurang penting ditempatkan di kanan. Types of supporting information. There are three types of supporting information. They are description, fact and statistic, and citation of research evidence. For the first, description. An author uses description to help you visualize the appearance, organization, or composition of an object, a place, or a process. Descriptions are usually detailed and are intended to help you create a mental picture of what is being described. Seorang penulis menggunakan deskripsi untuk membantu memvisualisasikan tampilan, organisasi, atau komposisi suatu objek, tempat, atau proses. Deskripsi biasanya dirinci dan dimaksudkan untuk membantu dalam membuat gambaran mental tentang apa yang sedang dijelaskan. Okay, the example describe about the stylistic features of various artists' work. Contoh tersebut menjelaskan atau mendeskripsikan tentang fitur gaya dari berbagai karya seniman. The next, fact and statistic. Another way to support an idea is to include facts or statistics that provide information about the main idea or controlling idea. Cara lain untuk mendukung ide adalah dengan memasukkan fakta atau statistik yang memberikan informasi tentang ide utama atau ide pengendali. Example. At the example, fact and statistics are used to support the idea that age is a limiting factor in the war against poverty. Pada contoh tersebut, fakta dan statistik digunakan untuk mendukung gagasan bahwa usia adalah faktor pembatas dalam perang melawan kemiskinan. And the last, citation of research evidence. In many fields of study, authors support their ideas by citing research that has been done on the topic. Authors report the result of survey, experiment, and research studies to substantiate theories or principles or to lend support to a particular viewpoint. The following excerpt from a social problems textbook report the result of research conducted to describe the extent of family violence. Dalam berbagai bidang studi, penulis mendukung gagasannya dengan mengutip penelitian yang telah dilakukan pada topik tersebut. Penulis melaporkan hasil survei, eksperimen, dan studi penelitian untuk mendukung teori atau prinsip atau untuk mendukung sudut pandang tertentu. Kutipan dari buku teks masalah sosial berikut ini melaporkan hasil penelitian yang dilakukan untuk menggambarkan sejauh mana kekerasan dalam keluarga. Okay, for the next, transitions. Transitions are linking words or phrases that a writer uses to lead the order from one idea to another. Transisi adalah penghubung kata atau frasa yang digunakan penulis untuk mengarahkan urutan dari satu ide ke ide lainnya. There are several common transitions. The first one, time sequence. The author is arranging ideas in the order in which they happen. Example, first letter, next finally. Next, example. An example will follow. Example, for instance, to illustrate such as. Enumeration. The author is marking or identifying each major point. Sometimes this may be used to suggest order of importance. Example, first, second, third, last, another, and next. Continuation. The author is continuing with the same idea and is going to provide additional information. Example, also, in addition, and further, another. Contrast. The author is switching to a different, opposite, or contrasting idea than previously. Example, on the other hand, in contrast, however. Comparison. The writer will show how the previous idea is similar to what follows. Example, like, likewise, similarly. And the last, cause effect. The writer will show a connection between two or more things, how one thing caused another, or how something happened as a result of something else. Example, because, thus, therefore, since, and consequently. Okay, I think that's all that I can present about supporting details and transitions. Thank you for your attention. See you again and bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.